So guys, today I'm going to show you how to win at Minecraft without hacks, cheating, or having a good IQ. And you can even do this with speedruns. And if you do this with speedruns, you will make Dream absolutely cry his eyes out to the point he will just delete his channel. Actually, no. He'll give his channel to you. So first off, this has to be for the PlayStation. Any PlayStation. Even the PS2. Because, yeah. Only works on PS2, I figured out. And I got my lucky controller to show you. Alright guys, so let's show you how to do this. First, I gotta put my PlayStation 3 Minecraft disc in my PlayStation 3. So let's see what we got. Oh, we got a Pokemon pack. Screw this Minecraft thing. Sorry, y'all people. You're out of luck. We're gonna open this Pokemon pack instead. So let's go. Alright, so I got the Pokemon pack. So let's open it. But first, I have to make a little sad news. We have lost Sizor the Scissors. So we have now Cleavor, which is the new evolution to Scizor. Wait, no, or just look at the other way around. Sizor and Cleavor. I don't know. Well, it doesn't matter anyways. His name is Cleavor. Say hi, Cleavor, in the comments. So let's open this Pokemon pack. Let's go. Don't want to cut the cards. Make sure, alright. You know my history of Pokemon cards. Y'all, it's not good. Just a code for y'all. People who actually play the online game. I don't know who does, but if you do, let me know. Alright, first off, we got a Fighting Energy, Herdier, Pyroar, Dream Ball. That's where Dream needs to go. Fletchling, Love Disc, Gossifleur, Slackoth, Emolga, Boost Shake, and a regular rare Seismitoad. Freaking Cleavor, cut the card. Good job, Cleavor. You've done a really good job. Alright guys, so that is going to do it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you miss our glorious content. I'm Ty, and we'll see you in the next vid coming up pretty soon, whenever. So yeah, just watch out for the new video. See ya!